Welcome to Changes for a Lifetime. Today we're going to be making golden milk. It's nutritious, delicious, and it helps the body be better. So I'm going to share with you all the benefits. There's 10 benefits of making golden milk, and I'm going to show you how to make it with these ingredients. So let's begin with the benefits of making golden milk. So number 1 says that it reduces inflammation in the body. It has an active ingredient called curcumin, and that's what aids in that. Sometimes you can see that they sell in health food stores just the tablets of curcumin, but we're going to be using turmeric powder, organic 100% turmeric powder in our golden milk. And then number 2 says it prevents cell damage. Curcumin has all the antioxidant properties for that. Number 3, it improves mood. Maca does too. So it improves mood. That's a good thing. They did a study and 60 participants found that taking curcumin supplements could reduce symptoms in people with major depressive disorder. Wow. Number 4, supporting brain function and improving memory. Once again, we need that. At least I do. So that's a good thing. It's number 4. Number 5 says that it prevents heart disease. Oh, wow. That's good, guys. We need to prevent that. Possibly reduces the risk of cancer. That's number 6. Lowers blood sugar levels. Number 8, it boosts the immune system. Fights against common illnesses such as the cold and the flu. You know we need that right in through here. Number 9, it improves bone health. Wow. I want you all to drink this. And it tastes good. That's number 9, improves bone health. The oil helps with that we put in there. And number 10 says it aids in digestion. That's because we put ginger in there, and we know that ginger is good for the digestive system. So those are the 10 benefits of making golden milk. So the next step is for us to do it together. We're gonna make golden milk. Turmeric powder, oil, fresh ginger, pepper, and cinnamon. Let's do this. When making golden milk, the first step is to create a paste. And with the paste, we use turmeric powder, organic superfood, 100% nothing else in this but dried turmeric roots. So we need 1/4 cup of this. Almost smell like the earth. 1/4 cup of turmeric powder and 1/2 cup of water. And then we're just gonna put it on the stove top and stir it for about 5 to 6 minutes until it becomes kind of thick. If it becomes too thick, you can add a little bit more water, but I'll show it to you. Just know that whatever you use, it is going to be stained. So I'm going to take this over here to the stove and stir it up. Medium heat, not too high, just medium heat. Such a beautiful color. And so this is going to create a paste, and when we make our golden milk, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of this paste. The paste can be stored in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 weeks. You can smell it, and if it smells kind of rancid, you know it's no good. I don't go past 2.5 weeks. It's all gone pretty much anyway, because I use a teaspoon often, and so does my spouse. So I'm going to do that for a while, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like when it's done, okay? Just going to keep stirring it. You know, there's nothing like a timer. So So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna set the timer, 5 minutes. And I gotta keep stirring it. So I added just a little bit more water, but this is the consistency that we're looking for. Okay, this is the consistency. And we're going to refrigerate this and use this in our golden milk. Well, the time has come now. We're going to make our golden milk, sometimes called golden latte. Let's do it now. So you need a strainer because remember we put the ginger inside. So we pour the milk in. You don't need to see the color. And the ginger is sitting right there. Push it through just a little. So we have the option of adding honey, teaspoon of honey or agave. If you use sweetened plant milk, you may not want to add any sweetener, so I'll leave that up to you. I happen to use sweetened plant milk, almond milk, so I don't need any agave, but I do need this oil. I'm going to put in a teaspoon of oodle oil. Oodle oil is different. It has to be refrigerated. But it's a combination of many oils: flax, sesame, sunflower, and coconut oil. It's about $16. So we add 1 teaspoon. It really helps bring everything to the body, and it helps the bone and many feminine issues. So I've already poured it in here. So 1 teaspoon. Stir it up. And this is not part of the recipe, but I just really like nutmeg. A couple scrapes. Ta-da! This is so pretty. So I find this very soothing. So just imagine it being nighttime now. Have yourself a cup of golden milk. All the smells are coming through: the cinnamon, the ginger, the turmeric. I need for you all to make this. Make it in your favorite cup so you can clasp your hands together and feel the warmth. And just drink it and sleep straight through the night, hopefully. Cheers. Peace and blessings from Changes for a Lifetime. Subscribe, like, share, thumbs up. Make it your best life, you all.